Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to create and execute shell script in Rocky Linux 9 operating system. So shell script is nothing but it's a combination of multiple commands which is similar to a batch file in Windows operating system. So let me show you how to create the shell script first. So using Vim editor, I am creating one file welcome.sh. So all shell script file should end with the extension .sh. Make sure that you are ending the shell script with the .sh extension. Okay. So now I am typing some commands. So echo command and cat command. So two commands will be executed. So save. So now the shell script file is created successfully, but you can see there is no permission for shell script file. See here, using ls-ltr, you can see that there is no execution permission. That is, read write permission is there, but there is no execution permission. So this is the command to give the execution permission: chmod +x. This will give the execution permission. Yes, now you can see that color is changed from white to green. So permission also there. So now I am going to show you how to execute. /shell script file name. That's it. /shell script file name or sh space shell script file name. sh space shell script file name. So in this way we can execute the shell script in Rocky Linux 9 operating system. So now I have shown you how to create and execute the shell script in Rocky Linux 9.